Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about political attitudes. What is meant by political attitudes? In this, it has a range between extremely liberal and extremely conservative. The beliefs and the values and knowledge and skills as well as the passions and negatives under the political systems also to be happen. But there is a need the range between the extremely liberal and the extremely conservative. Those who are the liberal are conservative based on that only the people voting the person in the political field. So if you take the political ideology to voting the particular person, that is supporting the person in the votes, and they become a politician in the world, how they are control their life, okay, as well as their career, like their profession is a politics. So how they are going to balance these two, and they are going to, we will discuss about it in many factors also, and some case study related to this. So let's begin with factors helps to shape the political attitudes. In that there are 8 factors, mainly 8 factors. If you know more things, just note it down in the comment section. So start from family. So okay, in India, after completing 18 age, okay, whenever are completing their age 18, they have the voting rights under Constitution of India. Here what they mention, in during the 18th, so your parents and their friends all are given the vote to one person, so they influenced by the family members, so influence on young people. And second, they choose the parents way, what the parent they do, what political party they are choosing, the young people also going to choose that particular person. But when they are getting older, then they may be get divert from their parents view, so they will have the diverse opinions about the political party also. So moreover, the family, those who are at politics, the person in a young age, they also active in a particular family politics, okay. And second, take the second cases of religion. So religion, what it mean that the religious faith. So religious faith means in India there is no religion, because in our Indian constitution mention about it is a secular country, okay. So but there is a two important view from the religion perspective as well as a political perspective. So take two condition, one is democratic condition and second one is conservative. So in the democratic party, there is not going to take the Republican party. So the Republican party is more viable, and they mostly choose the Republican Democratic party, because the people, those who are directly elected, that people is called as the Democratic party, but the Republican party is also there. So mostly the person given the preference to Republican party. Take an example of public office. Moreover, the person, those who are surveyed in public office is conservative party, okay. So in this, the religious wise, they have certain rights. The people have these rights should be protected from the political party, so they choose that kind of politician for their candidates. So there is many issues like religious issues like gay rights and cow cow protection, as well as many economic and foreign affairs is also there. But the people, those who are religious specific political party, they choose only that issues related to social, the foreign affairs. For example, in Hinduism, Hindutva principle is nowadays increasing due to the majority or dominance of Hinduism. Okay, so let's move on to next factor, that is race and ethnicity. So it's a good example, okay, from America. If you take, there are two kind of America. So one is African American and second is Asian American. In America, if any vote or election is occur, the people, those who are vote for Democratic Party, they are from African American. If a person voting for Conservative Party, they are from Asian Americans. Okay, so this is a good example for race and ethnicity. And fourth factor is economic pressure. So in our country already in economic slowdown, right? So poor need more support from the political party. So obviously, so they need wealthy person for aid them from the political view. So they choose the political wealthy person. And fifth one is age. So they people think that young politician have become liberal one. Okay, they realize their poor needs also. So take example of Andhra Pradesh CM currently. So and if you take old person, they have to maintain the status quo among the politicians. So they made them as a conservative. So moreover, with respect to the age, you can take the young one and old one. Young one have the liberal mind, and second, the old person have to maintain the status quo. So in the sense of commitments and belongings, some persons to be choose a young one with the wealthy person. Okay, and some person choose old one with the wealthy person. Okay. And sixth factor is, this is very important, this is the psychological factor. So psychologically, if you see from the perspective of psychology, the liberal one have more tolerance towards the issues. So but the conservative party, they don't have that much tolerance, they have low tolerance. Okay, you have to mention the psychological factors also. The seventh one is very important, that is nature of people. So nature of the people, it may be right or wrong. So if you take the right wing and left wing politics, so right wing person, they moreover accept the law and order in a society, and they remove the evils in the society, and they follow the strict law. Okay, and they give more punishment to the violators. For example, they give a punishment like jail term or the fine amount or both as well. And some cases like Nirbhaya cases also, they given the death sentence. So this kind of severe punishment is also to be given by the right wing for the public interest. And second, left. So left wing politics, they don't want to go with the government, so they should against the government, and they need a welfare state, but in the sense of removing the liberty of the humans, as well as they should be a law breakers. Okay, so they act as a law breakers, and they lean and sensible towards a leftist party. So they moreover think about it in opposite from the government. Okay, so and final one is gender. So there are two gender recognized, but at the same time LGBT community also there, transgenders also there, but generally they are concerned about female. So female are different views from social issues, like they given some protection for women, and for example from protect from child marriage and women rights, legal rights and property rights, etc. But if you take the female, they moreover become liberal person. So for example, take Tamil Nadu, late CM Miss Jayalalitha as well as Mamata Banerjee from West Bengal. So these are important factors under the political attitudes. Tomorrow we are going to continue this video in some sort of interesting facts also. So next move on to today's case study. Okay, so this today case study is about harassment at workplace. So in this topic, why I choose today, because women nowadays sexual harassment is to be increased due to this lockdown. Also more household violence also the increased. So I chosen this one. So let's begin with talk from start harassments at workplace. Here you have to take from many stakeholders. First, if you take women, so she is a victim for the sexual harassment. So she and physically agony. So moreover, she have a more stress from the mental and physical part. And second, if you take she have a dignity, but due to this incident, she lost her dignity, as well as the work efficiency of her to be reduced, and it's also to be affect her in a future work. She cannot go for another work, and if she went to another work also, she will get more this kind of events like sexual harassments. Again it will be happen. It's a continuous process also in the society. So second, if you take the company, in the company she work in, that is a workplace. Okay, so it may be company or institution or anywhere. She have some image. Okay, as well as the company also has some status and image. They want to maintain that status, and they will provide some money to her, and they withdraw the complaints against them also. But it is not a legitimate manner, so it is illegitimate negotiation. So this is to be avoided. And third condition is work position. So if she is work as a executive or a professor of any person, professional engineer also, so she cannot take her position to be reduced or increased. So the company if offer the position to be higher or the promotion will be provided, this problem also you cannot accept it. Okay, and if you take the fourth stakeholder, that is society. From the society point you can quote many things, but I mentioned only 2 or 3 things. Okay, that is societal pressure. So that our surrounding persons think about her as a too low thinking, like she is not a good person, like that. That perspective is to be reduced, because if you if you take it in your mind, you will be suffer and you will get more depression also. So in front of the society, her image to be reduced. And take from the patriarchal society, the human's mindset is always think about male are good and female are bad. So this is not a good thing under this case. So let's move on to other workers. So if she take into this event into law and order session, like she given some FIR or under the sexual harassment of women at workplace, then she take a initiative before the other workers, then she given some moral concerns to them. Okay, so she act as a one good leader to the person. So she proved her leadership. Okay, So finally, the law and order under the FIR, you can file the FIR under the sexual harassment of workplaces and prevention and prohibition and redressal act under 2013. So she can use that, and she move towards the this procedures, and this is one solution also. And finally we can conclude with the two sentence. One is what, the resign the job. If she resign without taking the considerations from the law and order or the money from the company, she resigned, then she is idiot. So she avoiding that situation, then it is to be again happen in another company also. So she should avoid that in a particular place, that situations face, okay, face immediately, otherwise it is to be continued for other women also. And final you can write like this, happen no, already happen other companies to be continuous, and you have to maintain the code of law, okay. So then you can that girl or a woman get mental peace. Physical peace also she will get later, but mental peace it immediately due to this problem created by the male. So finally you can take the Gandhian principle, like she the person taken the condition as a commerce, okay, commerce without morality. So without morality, if you done any business also, you cannot win and succeed, so it is like a sin. So under the Gandhi codes, like a sin, okay. So commerce without morality, it's like a sin. So you don't do this kind of annoying things, okay. This is creating more reducing the dignity of the. So I think this case study is today concluded, and yeah, case study it well. Thank you, friends.